This is the service point training for the client-served report. On the Reports dashboard, reached by selecting the Reports item on the navigation menu. Select Client-served report. This report uses the service transactions entered as the primary driver of this report, meaning if there are no services entered, there will be nothing to report. There are several parameters that are required and a few optional. Reporting group allows groups of program or providers to be used for reporting. Generally, the administrator is required to set up these groups. Provider is the program selected for the report. The option "This provider and its subordinates" allows for reporting for the whole agency, where the agency name would be selected along with option and the entire agency and programs would be used. This provider only reports just on the program selected. Reporting group and provider are mutually exclusive, select one or the other. Service option allows for reporting on services only, shelter stays, referrals or a combination of all three. Grouping, this option, indicates if the data is reported as a family, when a service is entered, the selection of family members used, whereas if the report is a household, the data is reported on household information from the Households tab. Funding source is optional and allows reporting on a single funding source. Service code, again optional, and reports on one type of service. Service date range are the start and end dates of the report. Service before data range is optional and allows a comparison with service date range. Treat open-ended services as one-day service, depending on the system setup. Service transaction end dates are optional. This would treat these services as a one-day service. Legal adult age, usually default to 18. This page also shows the first part of the report. The second page of the report. The blue numbers when selected show the client records used to calculate that particular value. The last page of the report, if financial service amounts are entered, this will show the cost of services here. This shows the screen when selecting one of the blue values to show the client records used for calculating.